Well, apparently hiccups are camera shy because as soon as I turn on the camera, they go away. Interesting. Yeah. Oh well.